Hi guys, welcome back to Alphamantraining.com. Friday is a day for same day lace. I'm driving a bus and we'll jump out in a bus stop, in the next bus stop. So Friday is a good day, Saturday and Sunday. Why? Because girls, you know, they finished their job, finished their work week, and they're actually free. And it's a very good opportunity for you to meet them. So we'll jump out from this bus stop and we're gonna do that. Here we go, jumping out from a bus, and we're going to buy maybe some food and to also check out for girls. You need to have the reason to go for, but the reason cannot be a girl. Why? Because it will be hard for you to overcome yourself, and if you will not find a girl, you will feel bad about yourself. So I'm going to check some food, which is for my diet, and on the way, if I will see same day girl, I'm gonna do it. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday are good dates for making same day lace. Girls, they are free, you know, especially 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m. are good times for making same day lace. It's also a very big luck. Sometimes you go 3 or 4 times a day to try and make same day lace, and no target, but you keep positive and you buy food. You reach something still, you know. You buy some food, you check some stores. You still reaching something, and that's the key. A woman cannot be a goal in a man's life, but to make same day lace, it's an amazing thing. It's amazing thing. So the system which I will do tonight is same day bang, same day lay version 2. I explained that system. We explained that system in same day bang version 2 DVD. The system is simple. And gonna do that. I slept well, my energy is high. My energy is high, my mood is great. I will maintain same delay rules while doing that. So wish me amazing luck.